Hey guys, welcome to Luna's Kitchen. I'm Luna. Today we're going to be making something that I use almost every day in my kitchen. And I learned to make this as a little girl from my mother, from my aunts, from my sisters. Everyone basically has a different take on it. But today we're going to be learning the basics on how to make epis. And what epis is, it's blended herbs, blended seasoning that Haitians everywhere globally utilize to season their meats and their food. And it's the base to Haitian cuisine. And it utilizes fresh herbs, fresh vegetables, lime juice, sour oranges. It's a blend of spices to bring out the taste in food and meats and such. So if you want to go ahead and learn how to make epis and utilize it in seasoning your food, follow along and let's do it. The most important part of making epis is determining which herbs and vegetable you want to go in your epis and just making sure that you have everything thoroughly washed. I have some sour orange juice. I have some bell peppers. I have some scotch bonnets or real spicy peppers. I have some garlic. I have shallots. I'll link everything in the description box so you know exactly what to put in your blended seasoning or epis. And yeah, you can go ahead also to add a little bit of oil, a tiny bit of vinegar to the mixture to make it blend and to also keep the mixture really well while it's in the fridge. So we're cutting up everything and we're putting it in the blender. It doesn't really matter how you cut up everything. You can make it a little bit coarse because we're gonna blend everything down. With the leeks, I forgot to show you guys, but essentially when you're like cleaning and washing them, you want to slice them lengthwise like this and kind of slide them open a little bit in the water and let them soak a little bit because they tend to get dirt inside of them. And so you want to wash them out really well before you use them. And then with the scallions, as you can see, I just kind of snip the ends like so before using them. And then I just cut them into my blender. Epis shouldn't be overly watery. It should have a nice thick blended consistency. And if you make like a really big batch, you can just go ahead and put some of the mixture in the freezer and keep a little jar in the fridge and just kind of replenish as you go, as you need. And the mixture really keeps really well in the freezer. And that's all there is to it. Real easy, guys. Good luck. Reach out to me in the comments if you have any questions. Until next time, bye.